in raking the ribs, what we're looking for is the intercostal muscles. Now, when we were talking about breathing, we mentioned that there's muscles between your ribs called your intercostal muscles, which help with the breathing. So what I'm creating is my hand almost like a rake. So you see I'm curving my fingers here a little bit. And then what I'm looking for is those bones of his ribs and trying to fit my fingers between the bones. So if your ribs are like this, you're trying to place your fingers between the bones of the rib cage. You'll notice I'm at an angle pointing towards his shoulder. That's because the ribs actually go in that same direction as my hand, so that when I fit my hand down and in there, I can feel the space between the ribs, and then I grab a hold of it and start to draw back. This is the raking. And then you can switch hands. Take the other hand in there, feel those ribs. You're fitting your fingers between the groove of the ribs. This is getting into intercostal muscle. So I'm just one hand over the other. Again, I'm trying to shift from my hips. When this hip shifts forward, I'm catching a hold of the rib cage, drawing back with the hip and the shoulder, and then switching. So this is raking the ribs. You can do this and kind of combine it if you want. If you want to get playful with it, combine the rib raking with opening the shoulder back, right? Again, take these techniques, play with it. You might discover some other things that you like that work for you. The purpose of raking the ribs, again, is to open the space between the ribs to allow for better breathing as we release those little intercostal muscles.